Hey there, enlightened minds! Is your kitchen feeling more chaotic than cozy? Today, we're diving into some simple, smart, and budget-friendly kitchen organization ideas that will make your space more functional, and honestly, way more enjoyable to be in. 10 brilliant kitchen organization ideas, simple and budget-friendly. Let's face it, a messy kitchen can totally kill your cooking mood, but with a few easy tweaks, you can turn that clutter into calm. Let's get started with idea number 1. Store grains, pulses, snacks, and spices in clear jars or labeled containers. This really cuts visual clutter and makes everything super easy to find. Double your vertical space in cabinets with shelf risers. They're perfect for stacking plates, cups, or canned goods. Pop one in your fridge, spice cabinet, or under the sink. No more digging in the back for that elusive soy sauce. Say goodbye to tangled utensils. Use dividers or small baskets to group similar items like measuring spoons, knives, or whisks. So, you can install hooks under cabinets or on the wall for things like mugs, kitchen tools, or even oven mitts. This is honestly great for small spaces. A label maker, or chalkboard stickers, helps you keep track of what's where and really stops the whole "what's in this jar" guessing game. Stick small racks or command hooks inside doors to hold things like foil, wraps, or pot lids. Super simple, right? So, using stacking bins or baskets in those deep drawers is a great way to separate snacks, produce, or even baking supplies. It just makes everything so much easier to find and keeps things nice and organized. So here's a great tip. Organize your kitchen by purpose. Set up a coffee station, a baking zone, a lunch prep corner, and so on. It really saves you time and just keeps everything super efficient. The simplest trick? Just remove what you don't need. Seriously, go ahead and donate or toss duplicates, expired items, or those tools you never actually use. And there you have it. 10 easy ways to organize your kitchen without breaking the bank or, losing your mind. Small changes really do add up to big results. Which idea was your favorite? Comment below and share your own kitchen hacks. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an enlightened tip. If you're ready for more, check out our next video, Pantry Makeover on a Budget. And oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.